Hello everyone, welcome to this video. When we import FBM Unshipped Order in Odoo and once we do the delivery, seller would need to export the tracking details as well as the shipment status back to Amazon, so that in turn Amazon will transfer this information to customer and they can track their orders properly. So in today's video, we will discuss how to update the tracking details and shipment status to Amazon from Odoo. So here I go to my Amazon module. Whatever FBM Unshipped Order I have imported, those will be visible here in the quotation as well as in the orders. So this is the FBM Shipped Order. So here I can see the stock move directly. So here we have in the quotation one FBM Unshipped Order. If we go to that order, as the order is in the quotation state, the delivery order is yet to be confirmed. The delivery order is yet to be created. So as I confirm this quotation, system will create a delivery order. Now here in the delivery order, you get an option to update the tracking details as well as shipment details here. So here you need to update the tracking details, and once that is done, you can go to operations. There we have a specific operation to export shipment status and order status back to Amazon. We can execute this operation and system will export the shipment details to Amazon. This was the manual operation, but the same thing can be automated from seller. FBM scheduler. We have a scheduler to export FBM order status and tracking details to Amazon. So say for example, if you want to update the tracking details once in a day, you can set up the scheduler and system will automatically export the tracking details to Amazon once in a day. Now here one thing to keep in mind, that user shall not update the order status on Amazon manually. So say for example, if any user has manually marked the order as shipped on Amazon, then in this case the system will not update the tracking details to Amazon. Instead, the order in the Odoo will be marked as updated in Amazon. So when you need to export the tracking details from Odoo to Amazon, you must not mark the order status as shipped on Amazon manually. Now there can be possibility that a shipment was made in the multiple packages. So there can be multiple tracking details attached to a specific order. So say for example, there was a specific order which was delivered in 2 to 3 packages, then each package might consist separate tracking details. So in this case, user can update the tracking details in each and every packages, and accordingly system will update the tracking details on Amazon for multiple packages. So this was all about updating tracking details on Amazon. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much.